Hello students, welcome to class. Uh, Today I'm going to start your new chapter, that is digestive system. Okay, in biology, digestive system. So you know very well what is digestive system. Okay, it's a system of our body which helps in the digestion of food. Okay, now what happens in digestion? We eat lots of food. Okay, the naturally occurring food in our surroundings, but the cells of our body, okay, they absorb it in another way. Okay, right? The food we eat, okay, that is a very complex substance. Okay, and cells, it's very important for cells to simplify, okay, to get in a simpler form. So in the digestion process, the food we eat, okay, it 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 completely changes into simpler forms. Okay, then our cells may able to absorb it. Okay, so see now digestion. First of all, what is the need of digestion? The need of digestion is for absorption. Okay, for the absorption of food. Now, what is digestion? The digestion is breakdown of natural occurring food into diffusible form. The diffusible form means the form which can be easily absorbable. Okay, which can be easily absorbed by the body. So, digestion is this. The digestive system. For the digestion, our body has a very peculiar digestive system. It consists of two things, that is alimentary canal and digestive glands. Okay, alimentary canal, it's a long tube, a muscular tube, starts from the mouth and ends up to the anus. Okay, now alimentary canal have lots of parts. Okay, it's very long, and it get coiled at small intestine. Okay, you might have heard about these things, large intestine, small intestines. So alimentary canal is very coiled at a small intestine. Okay, it's 9 meter long. Okay, it's 9 meter long and highly coiled. Okay, it consists of two digestive glands in the alimentary canal, that is liver and pancreas. It gone through the liver and pancreas. Okay, now there are three other salivary gland in oral cavity. Oral cavity means in our mouth. So it helps in the digestion. So digestion start from our mouth. Okay, as we eat food, the saliva get mixed up with it, and then the digestion gets started as the enzymes in saliva starts to simplify the food material. Okay, now we will study about one by one the parts. So alimentary canal, the first part of it is mouth. The mouth. Okay, from mouth the alimentary canal is starting. So mouth is this space. Okay, is the cavity or the space in which we can chew the food. Okay, from which we take up the food and chew the food. Okay, it consists of lips, tongue, and teeth also. Teeth. So lips are the part. Okay, having upper and lower lips. There are two lips, upper and lower. They helps in open and shut the mouth. Okay, to open and the close mouth. And it helps in sucking and sipping the liquid things. Okay, where anything, water, juices, tea, coffee, anything which we drink by sipping through the lips. Okay, it helps in this speaking. Okay, speak. When we speak, we open our mouth. Okay, we open our mouth by the help of lips. Okay, so it also helps in the touch and heat sensation. Okay, anything which we eat, heat or cold, first of all the lips gets that sensation. Okay, now next part is tongue. Tongue is very muscular tongue. Okay, muscular part. Okay, it's very soft and muscular, and it helps in chewing. Okay, chewing the food and mixing food with the saliva. Okay, now okay, it also helps in tasting anything which we eat. First of all, the taste, only the part through which we feel the taste, or we get the taste, that is tongue. Okay, so and it also helps us cleaning of mouth. Okay, if when we take food, okay, then the food particles which get stuck in the teeth, so it helps in the removal of those particles from the teeth. Okay, it also helps in speaking. If there is any problem in tongue, or persons with no tongue are not able to speak. Okay. Okay. Now next part is teeth. Okay, teeth is very important. Okay, why? Because it helps to cut and break food, to cut and break down the food. Okay, helps in speaking also, and it adds the facial beauty. Facial beauty. Okay, as you seen, the older people get who lost their teeth. Okay, the facial beauty, obviously it will be gone. Okay, without teeth. So in adults there are 32 teeth. The total count of teeth in adult person is 32. Okay, so there are 4 types of teeth. First one is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay, incisors are the front 4. Okay, in a jaw, front 4 teeth in jaw, and they help in biting food and to cut the food. Okay, so they are total in number, by adding 2 of jaws, so they will be 8 in number. Okay, next there is canines. Canines are total 4 in number. They help in tearing of food. Okay, in the animals, these canines are very sharp and very long. Okay, because they need to tear the any other food, like carnivores. You have seen dogs, cats, lions, tigers, all having the very sharp canines, so that they can tear their food particle. Okay, next there is premolars. Premolars are helping grinding and crushing of food. Okay, it helps to grind the food completely. They are also 8 in numbers. So they are some cusp like, they have this cusp like structure, that's why they are called bicuspid. Okay, last there is molars, and it is 3 in numbers in each part of jaw. So they are total 12 in 2 jaws among the all two sides. So it will be 12 in number. Okay, it is also help in the grinding and crushing of food. Okay, it is on the last molar. Last molar is called wisdom tooth. Why it is called wisdom tooth? Because last molar comes when we get maturity. Okay, when we get mature at the age of 17, 18, 19, 20, after that also the tooth can come. Okay, so that's why it's called wisdom tooth. Okay, in mammals, like in humans also, there are 2 sets of teeth in entire life. Okay, 2 sets of teeth. So the first set is called milk teeth, or the temporary teeth, or the deciduous teeth. Okay, so these teeth are total 20 in numbers. They come from 6-7 months of a small baby till 2 years. Okay, when he or she get 2 years old, the milk teeth completely comes in the mouth. After that they starts to get lost. Okay, after then the permanent teeth comes in the mouth, and it comes completely till 12 years of age. Okay, so a person with 12 years of age will get its permanent teeth. So these are the basic things about digestive system, about the part, okay, of alimentary canal. Okay, in next session we will study about structure of a tooth. Okay, so this much is done for today. Thank you.